You don't bring me flowers. You don't sing me love songs. You hardly talk to me anymore when you come through the door at the end of the day. I remember when you couldn't wait to love me. Used to hate to leave me. Now after loving me late at night, it's good for you. You're feeling alright. You just roll over and turn out the light. And you don't bring me flowers anymore. Used to be so natural, talk about forever, but used to be's don't count anymore. They just lie on the floor till we sweep them away. Baby, I remember all the things you taught me. I learned how to laugh, and I learned how to cry. I learned how to love, and I learned how to lie. So you think I could learn how to tell you goodbye? You don't bring me flowers anymore. Tell you goodbye. You don't say you love me. You don't say you need me. You don't bring me flowers anymore.